Hello, hey Zenas, how's your day going? Looks like you have been busy with the work then.
Hey Fahmi, yeah, I'm buried in paperwork today. I'm processing the monthly expense and organizing some files for upcoming audit. What about you?
Same here. I'm handling the schedule for the boss meeting and the setting up a few conference from for later. It feels like I'm constantly moving between different tasks.
Tell me about it. The to-do list seems endless. I've also been searching through some old file over a surfing. It's amazing how much stuff files up over time.
Hmm, I know, right? Some teams, I think we're doing more organizing than actual admin work. But, but I guess that's part of the job. Have you had a chance to meet with the finance time for the budget report?
Yes, I just finished that meeting. I'm in charge of gathering all the receipts and inputting them into the system. It's a bit time consuming, but necessary. How about you, Fahmi? Any tricks text today?
Actually, yes. I've been trying to streamline the schedule process. Some people are still not using the system properly. So I have been sending reminders. It's not always easy, but it helps keep the trainings running smoothly.
Fahmi, have you talked much about your long-term career? Do you see yourself staying in an administrative role or do you have other goals in mind?
A good question. I do enjoy the admin work, but I like the move up to more strategy position eventually. Maybe a project coordinator or even or office manager. I enjoy problem solving and work love to handle more complex tasks. What about you?
I've been thinking about that too. Right now, I feel like I'm learning a lot in my admin role, but I do want to grow into something more challenging, like a senior admin or HR coordinator. I really enjoy organizing process and helping them stay efficient.
Mm,
So I think that's where I see myself heading.
mm. It sounds like a solid path. It's good you're setting to goals now. It's easy to stuck in the day-to-day tasks, but having a clear direction helps. I think I need to start setting some concrete goals too.
Yeah, I agree. It's easy to get caught up in the routine, but knowing where you want to go give you something to work towards. Plus, if we keep developing our skills, well, be ready for those opportunities when they come up.
Mm, okay. So, what do you think about the work environment here? Do you feel like a good place for growth?
Overall, I think it's a supportive environment. The team is really collaborative and everyone is willing to help each other but sometimes I feel like admin roles are a bit overlooked. People don't always realize how much we do behind the scenes.
That's true. Admin work often goes united until something goes wrong, right? But I think people do appreciate us, even it's not always values. I wish there, I wish there was more recognition for the small details we handle every day.
Yeah, I think a little acknowledgement would go a long way, but I also think that we're in a position where we can impact the company in big ways, even if it is not in the spotlight. I mean, without admin like us, nothing would get done.
Exactly, we're the big bone of the office. Without without us managing schedules, organizing a meeting, and handling logistics, the whole operation will fall apart. I just wish upper management realizes that a bit more.
Speaking of growth, have you set any personal target for yourself this year, Fahmi?
Yeah, I've been focusing on improving my communication skill, eh, especially when dealing with the different departments. Some teams, I feel like I communication more clearly, especially with it's come to schedule or coordinating event. What about you?
I've set a goal to learn more about the tools we use for data management. I feel like I could be more efficient if I knew the software better. I'm also aiming to get more involved in organizing team building events. I think that will help me connect with the team and improve my leadership skill.
Okay. To sound like great goals, I think learning more about the tools is definitely important. Efficiency is key for us, and as for team building, that's a good idea. It will be nice to have more interaction outside of just work tasks.
Exactly. Plus, I think it's a great way to show initiative and help improve the work culture here. People will see you're proactive and it could lend to more opportunity down the line.
Mm, okay. From an place perspective, do you feel that your contribution are feels heard?
I think the management appreciates what we do, but as admins, sometimes it's easy to feel like our efforts are not recognized as much as those in more visible roles. For example, I spend a lot of time organizing the office and making sure everything runs smoothly, but no one really sees the impacts until sometimes something goes wrong.
I get what you mean. It's like we're the invisible force that keep everything together. When things are going well, it's easy for people to forget how much work goes in the admin set of things. But this work now or value, even if it's not always sorted from the rooftops.
True, it's more about internal certification, but I do wish there were a bit more recognition, especially for the little things. Sometimes even a simple thank you can make a big difference.
I totally agree. It's isn't hard to show appreciation. Even for the small stacks, it helps keep more up, especially when we're working hard behind the sky. Wow.
By the
Yes.
way, Fahmi, have you heard any rumors about change in the office? I've been hearing that they looking to hire more admin staff soon.
You even heard some weepers. I think it could be a good thing, especially if they're looking to divide up from the responsible. There's a lot of work for just the two of us sometimes.
That's true. It would be nice to have more support, especially with the increasing workload. Do you think they all bring in someone with a different skill set?
Possible, I think they're looking for someone who can help with the more technical side of things, like IT support or database management. It it will free up the focus more on other tasks.
I hope so. It would definitely help us be more efficient if we had the right people in place. I'm looking forward to seeing how things develop.
Same here, change can be a little unsettling, but it's also an opportunity to grow. We just need to be editable and ready for whatever comes next.
Fahmi, how do you usually deal with stress at work? I feel like I'm juggling so many tasks at once and it can be overwhelming sometimes.
Honestly, it's tough. I try to stay organized and properties takes, but there are days when everything seems urgent. I guess taking a short break helps too, even if it's just a walk to clear my mind. How about you?
I try to take deep breaths and break tasks down into smaller chunks. When there's too much going on, I focus on completing one thing at a time. It feels less daunting that way, but yeah, a quick break can really help rest my brain.
I get that. It's so easy to get caught up the rush, but even be learning the saying no or delegating tasks when I am at capacity is okay. People often forget that you're human, human too, not robot.
Exactly. I think it's important to set boundaries. Sometimes we feel like we have to do everything because no one else will, but that's not always sustainable. We need to take care of ourselves first.
Hmm. Yes, yes, yes. Senas, speaking of soft car, how's your work-life balance lately? I feel like the lines between work and personal time blur, especially when I have to check emails after hours.
It's definitely a challenge. I try to stick to a routine, but sometimes work spills into my evenings, especially when there are deadlines or unexpected tasks. How about you? How about you? Do you manage to switch off at the end of the day?
I try to, but it's tough, especially when there's something against that needs attention. I have been trying to to be more disciplined about not checking my work email after 7 p.m. It's a work in progress though.
Yeah, I know that feelings. Sometimes it feels like there's always something to do, even if it's not urgent, but I think taking time to relax or push hobbies outside of work is important. It keeps you recharged for the next day.
Totally agree. If started exercising more in the evening, even if it's just a short workout, I heard I hope clear my mind and give me a big framework. Maybe you could try something like that.
That sounds like a great idea. I've been meaning to get back into yoga. It always helps me unwind. I should definitely make it a habit again. By the way, Fahmi, do you think there are any areas in the office that could use improvement? Maybe something we could suggest to management?
Um, that's a good question. I think one area that could be better in the communication between departments. Sometimes we don't get all the information we need and I cause delay. Maybe more centralized communication platform work.
I agree. A shared platform where everyone can easily update each other on their progress would definitely improve efficiency. Sometimes I feel like we are all working in silos and it makes things a bit chaotic.
Exactly. Also, I think having more regular check-ins or meeting could help keep everyone aligned. Uh, it doesn't have to be all just a quick sense up to make sure everyone's on the same page.
That's a good point. We could also improve the workflow by automating some of the repetitive tasks. For example, automating reminder for meetings or approvals could save use time and reduce the change of things being overlooked.
Automation will be a game changer. I think it's sometimes worth bringing up in the next team meeting. Even small improvements like that all make big difference.
Speaking of improvement, have you considered attending any workshop or course to develop new skills? There are some admin focused program out there that might be useful.
I've been thinking about it. If seen a few online course on projects management and office management that seem interesting, it could help me in the future. I want to move into a more strategic role. What about you?
I've been eyeing some leadership development course. I think it would help me in my goal of becoming a senior admin or HR coordinator. It's always good to keep learning, especially since the admin role is evolving so much.
Definitely, the more we can learn, the better we'll be prepared for those future opportunity. I think take uh, coursing on the time management could also be beneficial just to help us handle everything more efficiently.
That's a great idea. I've heard that some courses focus specifically on work efficiency and tax prioritization, which would be perfect for us. Maybe we should look into it together.
That sounds like a plan. Uh, it could be fun to learning some things new and challenge ourselves a bit. Plus, it is make us even more valuable to the team.
It's so interesting how work can influence our personal growth. I feel like I've learned so much about managing people and multitasking. Have you noticed any personal growth through your admin role?
Definitely, I think I've become more patient and adaptable. There I always unexpected situation, and I've learned to handle the calmly. It's also improved my problem solving skills since we often have to the thing on our feet.
That's true. I feel like you've become more detail oriented and organized. I used to be a bit scattered, but now I make sure everything has its place. I think the admin role has helped me develop a more structured mindset.
Yeah, I feel the same way. I also think my communication has improved. We have to be so clear when sending emails or setting up meeting. So if learning to be more precise in my work.
Exactly, it's all about being clear and efficient. Even small things like how we word our emails or how we manage our schedule make a hug difference in how smooth everything runs. It's a big responsibility, but also a great way to grow.
I'm really glad we had this cat. It's always nice to take a step back and reflect on how things are going. Do you think the next year will bring any major change to our roles?
I think so. With more people joining the team and potentially automating some tasks, our roles might shift a bit, but I'm excited about it. Change can be challenging, but it's also an opportunity to improve and grow.
I agree we'll be ready for whatever comes our way. As long as we keep learning and adapting, I think we'll continue to do well. Plus, having this conversation it keep us going and focused.
Absolutely, I'm really looking forward to that ahead. Here's to more growth, both personally and professionally.
Cheers to that. Let's make it happen.